Hello, my friends. The Stamps of Life is traveling once again. This time we're doing something a little special. June 7th and June 8th, Stephanie and the girl team are going to be in St. Paul, Minnesota at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. Now we're going to have so much fun there and it is going to be a blast. Now club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount in our booth. We're going to have all of our newest products there and we're going to have some surprises as well. Now if you're not in the club, don't worry. I can fix that. I can sign you up and get you set up so you get your 15% discount ASAP in our booth and on our website. You can't beat that, right? And of course you get all those awesome club benefits as well. Now come see us. That's June 7th and June 8th in Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.